What is up, guys? It's your boy Randy with On Edge TV, and welcome back to another video. So, I'm here to announce the winner for the first giveaway that I did on my last video when I announced the podcast, and the winner is Teflon Poppy. All his information will be in the description. He is a dope producer. Check out his stuff. If you're into music or you need music for your YouTube channel, or you're just a rapper and you need beats, check him out. He's one of the dopest producers in the DC area, so definitely check him out. And some more announcements on the podcast. New Year's Day will be the launch of the first episode. So New Year's Day at 12 a.m. I am going live with the very first podcast episode, and the title of that episode is Surviving Depression. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about how I survived depression, and we're talking about the depression in the creative community. No one's talking about it, not that I know of, maybe in my circle, but I'm talking about my story and how I went through depression in 2019 and how I used my depression to fuel my passion and how I overcame my depression. So you definitely don't want to miss that episode. Again, January 1st, 2020, New Year's Day. So yeah, stay tuned. We got some dope stuff coming. There will be more giveaways coming soon. Trust and believe that. I might give away an Amazon Alexa Echo. I don't know. I shouldn't say Alexa because my thing is gonna wake up. See?
I don't know that.
Or Echo. See? Always chiming in when you don't want to chime in. Anyway, I might be giving away an Amazon or Fire Stick. I don't know yet. Comment below what y'all want me to give away next. Nothing too crazy. You know, we ain't there where I can give away iPhones and stuff, but who knows? That might be the next giveaway. You don't know. Subscribe. You might find out. Peace. Thanks for watching.